I'm going to show you a quick way to delete your comment history on your TikTok account. So let's go to our TikTok, and you want to go to your profile, which is at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go ahead and hit those three lines at the top right corner. So from here, you want to go to Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down until you find Activity Center, and then we are going to navigate to your comments once this loads up. And from here, you want to go to comment history. So unfortunately, there isn't a way to just select all these comments right here and delete them in one shot. You would have to click on the comment and go through and specifically delete your comments. So I'm just going to hit the second one here, and it's going to bring me to that reel. And then what we can do is go ahead, and it's going to bring us right to our comment. So go ahead and click and hold, and then go ahead and hit delete. And that comment is now deleted. So that's the only way that you can physically do it. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy.